Smart Rapper Gang.
What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today I'm going to show you how to get your Genius account verified. So when you're posting your lyrics, it looks like it's actually coming from the verified account. And that's a pretty big deal, actually. You know, you want to have a verified Genius account, especially if you're writing really sick lines. People don't often understand what you're saying. They only hear it from a top layer. You need to help them understand the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm going to show you how to verify your Genius account. I'm going to go into a screencast and show you step by step how to do this. And I just did this for myself, for my new artist name, because the only song I've released under Rob Level so far has been Way Up. Now, song a month is coming. Every single month, a new song, maybe even 2 songs a month. So I need this new name to have a verification symbol on it when I start explaining these lyrics. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put the link that leads you directly to this Google Doc that you can get verified on Genius and fill everything out and everything like that. The same thing I'm gonna show you how to do right now. Link is gonna be in the description. I got you. All right, so here's the thing. First and foremost, before you can even do this procedure, you have to sign up for a Genius account, and there's a link right here, so the link will be in my description of this video. You have to add an avatar and a cover art to your bio, so it's not like just like a pictureless thing, obviously. All right, and then you have to add at least one of your songs, okay? So that's easy. Take your lyrics from your song that you probably used on your phone or on your computer that you read it from, and then you're gonna create that song, okay, by clicking here. Then when you go to next, it's gonna bring you right here. And this is where you're gonna request your verified account. Now, my old artist name is already verified, but for Rob Level, I had to go back in here and I wanted to, you know, get this name verified because I'm releasing a song every month. I want to put my stuff up there, I want to explain my lyrics, and you know, I want my fans to understand what I'm saying in case they miss some stuff, because I do have a lot of entendres and metaphors and everything inside of my lyrics that I like that go right over people's heads, okay? So I want to be able to explain that like I do here, okay? So anyways, so you put in all your information, the username that you signed up for, and if you haven't done that yet, obviously you're gonna have to go sign up like I said before. You're gonna put your artist name here, then you're gonna link to the song that you made the lyrics for. So remember, that's why it's required first. You have to go make that. So for instance, I did Way Up here. All right, so I put the lyrics in here, I fixed them, and then I'm using my email address here because my old artist name uses my old one. Now you're gonna go next. Okay, now they're gonna put more information here. Your Twitter handle, which I'm surprised it's actually Twitter as opposed to Instagram now, but this is probably an old verification form. And then where they can hear your music, which would be your YouTube or your SoundCloud, wherever you use primarily. Your country of origin, I don't know where you're from, but you know, this could be here. Then you click submit, and as soon as you click submit, it says the process is underway, and you're good to go. It's really that easy. Hopefully it's an easy verification process. I'm not sure how easy it is, but I have a larger fan base, so it's gonna be easier for me when they see I have 1 million views on that song on YouTube. They're like, oh, he's 1 million views on this, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, and he's 110,000 subscribers on this channel. Okay, we'll verify him. But I think that they'll verify any artist as long as you can prove it's really you. Good luck, you got this, keep hustling. It's really that easy. Please hit me with a like, please hit me with a comment, and please hit me with a subscribe. I'll release a new video every single day on here. We're at like 85,000 subscribers almost. We're killing it. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope this video helped. Keep hustling. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Smart Rapper Gang.